Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making a quick and delicious Turkish breakfast classic, Menamen, with just 5 simple ingredients: olive oil, green peppers, juicy tomatoes, fresh eggs, and a pinch of salt. Let's get started. First, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Once warm, add your chopped green peppers and sauté them for 3 to 4 minutes until they soften and release their aroma. Next, add your diced tomatoes, stir them in, and season with a pinch of salt. Let this mixture simmer for about 6 to 8 minutes, allowing it to thicken and blend beautifully with the peppers. Now, crack 4 eggs directly into the skillet, gently stirring them into the tomato and pepper base. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes over low heat until the eggs are set but still soft and creamy. Serve your menemen hot in the skillet with fresh bread on the side for dipping. And enjoy this simple, flavorful dish that's perfect for breakfast or brunch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes.